Welcome dear students to St. Peter's College, Colombo Nikamba branch for the English language lesson of grade 2. Today the lesson is opposites. What do you mean by opposites? Opposites are word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. We can categorize opposite words into 5 subtopics. They are common nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs and prepositions. We'll go through some examples. Opposite common nouns. Who is this? Man. Woman. Next example is opposite pronouns. I, you. Opposite adjectives. Tall, short. Opposite verbs. Sit, stand. The last one, opposite prepositions. In, out. Okay, we'll go through some words. Learn the following opposite words. Please read after me. In, out. Quiet, noisy. New, old. Easy, difficult. Cheap, expensive. Heavy, light. Buy, sell. Clean, unclean or dirty. Before, after. Rich, poor. Now we will move to the exercise. I have given sentences. Go through the following words and write the opposite words. Write the opposites of the given words in each sentence. The first sentence is, the children were blank when the teacher went blank. What is the opposite word for quiet? It's noisy. Opposite word for in, it's out. Okay, we'll read the answer now. The children were noisy when the teacher went out. Understood? Second sentence is, the sari that my mother bought was blank. What is the opposite word? The answer is expensive. We'll read the sentence. The sari that my mother bought was expensive. Third sentence. My sister came home blank me. Opposite word for after is before. Read the sentence. My sister came home before me. Okay, fourth one. Our English paper was very blank. There's a word easy. What is the opposite word? Difficult. Our English paper was very difficult. Fifth sentence. Uncle Peter wants to blank a car. Opposite word for sell is buy. Read the sentence with me. Uncle Peter wants to buy a car. Sixth one is, this box is too blank. Opposite word for light is heavy. Heavy. This box is too heavy. Next sentence. The blank man was having his tea. Opposite word for rich is poor. The poor man was having his tea. Okay, the last one. The blank building was blank. What is the opposite word for old? That is new. Opposite word for unclean? clean. Read the sentence. The new building was clean. Okay. We'll read these opposite words. I have given the pictures. You have to follow this worksheet and go through your worksheet correctly. Okay. What is this? Yes. Yes. The opposite word for yes is no. This one. Up. Opposite word. Down. Next one. Top. Top. Bottom. Pretty. Ugly. Next one. Young. The opposite word for young is old. Same. Same. What is the opposite word? Different. Okay, very good. Now we will move to the reading part. It's time to read now. Let's start reading from the Radiant Way book, step 2, page number 14 and 15. Okay. The lesson is Little Miss Muffet. Okay, you know this. This is a nursery rhyme. We'll start reading first the words one by one. After that, we will sing this part. Okay? Okay, we'll go now. Word by word. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds on whey. There came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Now I am going to sing this. Please listen very carefully and enjoy. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, we'll go to the story now. I have given here only the first part of the story. I will give you the next part next week. Okay, we'll go through the words. Little Miss Muffet was a fairy. The fairy queen was fond of her. She let her have a little tuffet in her garden by the bank of the pond. One day, she was sent by the fairy queen to water some forget-me-nots. Now we will move to the vocabulary. First word, sat. What do you mean by sat? Past tense of sit. Second one, tuffet. A low stool or seat. Third, whey. The watery part of milk that remains after the formation of curds. The watery part of milk that remains after the formation of curds. Next one, beside, near, near. Frighten. What do you mean by frighten? Scared. Last, before the last, bank of the pond. Edge around the pond. Edge around the pond. Okay, the last word, forget-me-nots. That is a small plant. A small plant with blue flowers. Small plant with blue flowers. Okay, children, thank you very much and have a nice day.